morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know who it is, you know why we're here. It's Mr. Fonzie. We got some Lego. Oh, yes. And not just any Lego. This is some very rare. It proved to be quite a difficult chase, but I managed to get it. Bit of special Lego to me. Now, first things first, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell. It does help. New videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, every single week. People said to me, Matt, 3 videos a week, it's a bit much. I said, yeah, but I make a lot of Lego. You know what I mean. Anyway, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you are well. Welcome to some more Lego. So today we've got a piece from my actual collection. I'll show you what it is. It is, ta-da! It's a 3-in-1 Lego Creator 4838. It's a 3-in-1 model. You've got the buggy, you've got a breakdown wagon there, like a pickup truck, a hook truck on the back, and you've got a flatbed you can roll onto. Now, this is still factory sealed. I picked it up from Denmark on Britlink some months ago, quite a few months ago in fact. It's factory sealed, never been opened, it never will be opened. This is off the top of my head, I'm going to say about 15 plus years old. So it's quite a hard one to get hold of now. It's back in the days when Lego did quite a few models in plastic containers rather than cardboard. These weren't around for very long. But I've got this. My plan is to build it, but I will not be opening this one. Oh, no. This one's staying sealed. Got a little something else at the side over here. Pop that one over there. We'll wheel these in. Now, these are 2 used sets. They're complete used sets. I picked these up off Britlink last week. They're not very expensive when they're opened, but then again, they're a nice little set. When they're sealed, they're a bit more pricey. But for these little sets, it's not much of a problem at all. So you can pick up these quite cheaply. They're a fun little set. So the plan today, I've got 2 of them as you can see. So the plan is to make a couple of these models. They are a 3-in-1, so I'm going to make a couple of the models. We'll timestamp them both so you can jump to whichever one you're interested in. So I'm going to make the hook truck, that one, and I'm going to make the flatbed with the little car in the back. So make this one first, then I'm going to make that one. So we're going to cut to a little bit of music, get this thing made, and have a chat at the end. Again, there's timestamps so you can jump to which one that you are interested in. So without further ado, let's kick into some music, let's build some Lego, and let's crack on. Alexa, play Rammstein. Let's do some Lego. There you have it, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, peoples of the internet. There we have the very little 4838 original model. Little car on top, little low loader sort of thing. I think that's brilliant for the time and for the age of child this is aimed at. I think that's fantastic. Yeah, I really am. Yeah, I'm a fan of this sort of Lego. I grew up with this sort of Lego, and kind of going backwards, exploring my childhood and all the wonders and fun I used to have making it. So, if you're interested in the next build, hold on a moment, and I'll bring you the next chapter, which is going to be the next build, which is going to be the hook truck. So, I'll be right back with you. Hello folks, welcome to part 2, so timestamp 2. Like I said at the beginning, if you're interested in the first one, which is this one, that's the first timestamp. Second timestamp, we're going to build the hook truck. So without further ado, let's kick in the Rammstein. Let's kick onto the music. I'll be listening to Rammstein. You can't listen to it here because it's copyrighted and I'd get sued. But I'm going to enjoy some really heavy metal. Yeah. Enjoy the Lego, folks. I'll see you all in a few minutes.
We tried all there is to try. I'm not gonna let you fall this time. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you. find home. So far and so wide, a distant moment crashes down as our memories collide.
There you have it. There you have it. Hook truck, 4838. Low loader, 4838. There is a third model that can be made, but I'm not going to make that one until I get another one of these, as I want one of each one. I like it. I like it that way. I like it that way. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's a bit of a weird one. I'll try my best in edit to improve the picture. It's very small. Very small. With the help of the second camera, it's not too bad, but trying to light this thing has been a nightmare due to the fact of, well, the lamp I usually use has got the power of the sun in it. It makes everything reflect. You need a new bulb. Try and get something a bit less aggressive in there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Remember, folks, please subscribe, ring that little bell. Videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday every single week. See you all soon. Have fun. Look after yourselves in these ridiculously hot times. And I will see you all very soon. Good night, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Take care. Bye-bye for now. May the Ponzi be with you all. Ta-da.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.